Hello Greg, this is a video of the setup mode. Now similar to the board you have a reset mode, which means you're going to calibrate all these sheets. Now what we're going to do is we're going to run tower A in what's called block mode, which means we can split the collator into 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom, and the same thing for tower 2. But what we're going to do before we even do that is we're going to calibrate all the sheets in all 10 bins. And this comes in really handy if you have a job that, say 4 or 5 sheets, so you can load while you're running. But we're going to demonstrate that, but I'm going to go ahead and calibrate. Now this is the calibrate button right here. It's a triangle with a line in the center of it. So we'll push that, and now your collator is going to feed a set or a sheet out of every bin and calibrate it so that the sensors will know whether it's a miss or a double detect. Very similar to the board design. You see how the sheets separate. If you look back there in the back, you see a little dial right there with an arrow pointing. Okay, that's your bin height. And that actually adjusts the height of the paper for the top sheet. Very sensitive. You see how that works. Okay, it's fed one sheet. Now it's going to cycle down, and it set the seat set back there. See it underneath? That's your reject bin. The reject bin allows you to reject sheets when you're calibrating, and when you have a miss or a double, it'll always send it down there. The nice thing about that is you don't end up with it stuck in the Bookletmaker. Also, the collator has to feed 2 sets simultaneous double or miss before the machine shuts down. So sometimes you get an occasional miss or a double that keeps running. Alright, so now we see all 10 of our bins are illuminated green, which means that they're all reading. Alright, so now we can go to modes. Go to block, and we're going to break the collator up into 4 sections. So that's 5 here, 5 there, 5 and 5. So that's 4 sections of 5 on 2 towers. And then you see the dot up here at the top? By pushing this arrow here, I can select where the dot. See, that's the bottom 5 bins, top 5 bins on the back tower, bottom 5 bins on the back tower. But I'm going to start out with the top 5 bins, and we're going to run booklets on the top 5 bins, and then it's going to automatically switch to the bottom 5 bins. And this is a really long run, so we're going to set it at 300. Now again, your bins are going up, and you'll notice only the top 5 bins are going up. The bottom 5 bins are staying in position. Side jog. You can adjust the side jog to jog twice, 3 times, 1 time. Right now it's programmed to jog twice. And then stay. Next it goes into the fold section. And then that sound you hear, that's your tamper that's smashing down the bind. And now that's the trimmer trimming the set. Okay, let's see what happened. Alright, it looks like we ran out of paper on bin 4. You can see it's empty. Now it's automatically lowering the top 5 and raising the bottom 5. And then it'll start feeding again. Sorry about that. I'm a one-man band today. Of course, when we do the test run, of course, the top cover won't be here, nor the side covers, but we'll put them all back on, and we'll do a final covers on test video. Speed it up a bit. About 2,500 is about as fast as any one person can keep up with it. We're running at 2,500 an hour now. This is a bit underneath here for your trim. A lot of times people just put a box under there and you just scrape it out, pull it out into a box, a waste box. Rated up to 2,800. We're doing a 300 booklet test run, and I don't know if we'll have enough paper to do 300. Okay, let's see what happened here. It looks like we had a miss on bin 10. Going to make sure there are no sets stuck in here. It looks like everything's good because it says ready. So we're good there. Push jog. Yep, everything's good. See what happened. Uh-oh. Haha. Bin 10 had 2 sheets of chipboard. The paper that we get comes with chipboard inserted. That's that, NCR paper. Okay, so we're going to put this back in here so it wouldn't feed the NCR paper. Okay, back to the drawing board. We may not have enough paper to do 300, but looks like we got 175 already. So basically that miss was an operator error. The NCR paper comes with a piece of chipboard top and bottom in the pack. And when I was loading it, we'll raise it up to 3,000. Uh-oh, this time. What happened? Oh, ran out of paper. Okay, so this completes our test run. We got 201 sets, and we're going to continue testing the system. Next, we're going to be doing a test run of the back tower, and then we're going to go to 11x17 and move forward with the testing. Okay, thank you. Bye.